Okay, guys, in this video, we'll be looking at Shebe Shitty's Golf 8R. You know, we'll be appreciating its hotness, its sexiness, and also look at how he has been treating the car, how he has been taking care of it. Because, dog, you need to treat your car as your first lover or as your lover, dog. So, yeah, man, we'll be looking at how he's been taking care of his car and everything. As you can see, that see like it has I don't know, man, see upampile kancane. I don't know what's upampeni. But yeah, man, let's get into the video.
Man. Hayi man, lona uyabona nje man. Nje kwatile nje. Man. Woman. Man. Shit man. 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 Lona wabona man. Lona wayibona nje. Njalo wena wayibona ngwanisi. Njalo wena wayibona ngwanisi. Njalo wena wayibona yi. Temo. Njalo wena wayibona ngwanisi. Temete. Njalo wena wayibona yi. Car number plate wa tshwana wa visela. Fuck. Lona wayibona nje kodini. Wabona number plate. Olontuka idea. Yeah, number plate to target the move online. Njo wayibona. Iba bana kaya nanju. Time.
Don't you miss this one? That's the point. Let's go.
Wabona, if you really follow Shebe, then you'll know that it's very rare to find this guy driving alone. Baba, this car is always packed. Plus, Vele, he has a lot of friends. This guy has a lot of friends, bruh. So his car is always packed. Bona Limo, the car was packed. He was rolling with his friends, and apparently they were going to a gig. I think it was around 6 or 7 in the morning, and they were going to a gig. That next to him, passenger princess. But what I'm trying to say is that this guy is always with his friends, always driving with his friends, enjoying this car with his friends. You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandy. Ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.